Tesla monthly chart, any buy signal right now. Today, I'm going to give you the insight of the chart. Look at this, because Tesla right now, basically we are under this triangle line. And previously, I say this is the triangle, but now they changed to this because this few candle has renewed the triangle shape. Okay, so basically this is more appropriate. And one thing, we are just touching the support right now here. Can we buy here? So today I'm going to give you the buy sell strategy. How long can we hold Tesla? Is Tesla going to fly right now? This is the main question. If you hold Tesla, if you want to make money with Tesla, and Tesla lately are launching some IPO project, right? So can we buy right now? What is the holding period? Today give you the answer. Now we look at the monthly chart. This monthly chart only tell us investment opportunity, not trading, but investment. It means to hold for long term. I'm going to show you the technique. So if look at my indicator first, the blue line. The blue line is Club long. They tell you the market cycle. The red line to tell you the trend to go upward or go downward. This is basically our trading signal. Trading signal. Okay, when the first thing, when Tesla, right now we have the blue line. Okay, the blue line, this blue line basically is a bit funny because the blue line is going upward, but red line is quite fluctuating. You see, this is up, this is flat, this is up, this is tilting downward. Basically, I told you, when the red tilting downward, this means they will go down. Okay? And when does it fly? Because they touch the blue line here. And what is going on is the blue line can serve as a support. Oops, sorry. They can serve as a support. So basically, can we buy here right now? Okay, and then we'll go into weekly chart. For this answer, monthly chart, do we have opportunity to buy? Okay, first thing we look, do we have money coming in? The answer is no for monthly chart. It means we don't have a specific buy point for monthly chart because the real buy point is when the red change the direction. When the red change the direction and they go upward, the real one is how they go very fast is the red go above the blue and both lines go upward. When this happens, Tesla will fly so quickly. Or if only the red go up, they will still go up, but you don't know how long they can go up and how fast. The faster one is always they go above the blue line, and the blue, the red, they go upward together. If this stock is long enough, they will show a purple line, which is Club super long. But this moment, no, there is not long enough history. So back to the point, do we have monthly chart buying opportunity? The answer is no, and we don't even have an up here, okay? But something happened is weekly chart we have. It means we have a swing trade opportunity. When we look at this chart, the blue is turning downward. It means this is a downward trend, but we look at few things. They go above the red, and the red is kind of changing the direction. It is kind of similar like this. When the red changed direction, we have a big wave up. Okay, I'm going to show you. For example, like here, they have a big wave up, especially they have institution come in. And do we have it? The answer is yes. This 2 week, Tesla has institution come in. This gives us a very good opportunity. It means here is one of the relative low. They can provide you swing trade opportunity. What is swing trade? Swing trade is not day trade. It's not super long hold. It's something in between. So to do one wave, this calls swing trade. Okay. So basically, we are about to have wave to go up. We have institution come in. And when the red changed direction, basically, we know we are about to change the direction because we already go above it. So we will go into daily chart to check any buy opportunity for this swing trade. This is the buy strategy. Listen up, I just repeat. When the red, we are now above the red. We have institution come in. It means we need to get ready to buy this stock. Not, is it now? When? We check daily chart. Okay, this is very common sense thing. So now we go to daily chart. Okay, look at here. we have money coming in, like the big volume, and you see institution holding is increasing. So this is a very good sign because they has been down since this day, which is December 26th here. Okay, here. And on this day, they confirm they drop below the blue changed the direction. And if you look at the purple, it's not good because they turn the super long term to downward. This is the sell signal. And basically, we haven't updated Tesla for a really long time. So now we do have a first buy signal. The first buy signal is here. If you're here, when they go above the blue, the first acting point, right? But remember, when the blue is still going downward, they will always come back down. So we are waiting. I'm not saying buy now. There's no buy point now because it's too far away from the blue. Okay? And I'm sure they will come back to the blue. We can buy. Okay? You can buy when they come back, like when the blue changes the direction, they come back. This is another best buy point. Okay, just like this one. You go up, you come back, they touch the blue again, and they matching with this institution funding. Okay, let me repeat. So when the red go above the blue, okay, let's say here, when the purple or the blue still go downward, they will always come back down. So we don't need to worry, oh, what if they don't come back down? They always come back down. It's like a magnet. It's like a magnet because the trend still taking time to change the direction. So if you buy with blue, you sell with the blue. Okay? And the blue still go downward, you sell with the red. So, okay, when you buy here, the blue, as long as still go downward, if tomorrow or the next few days, they come back down, they drop below the red, then you reduce or you sell it. Second, if you want to no longer hold, you can also buy with the blue, sell with the blue, or buy with purple, sell with the purple. Does it make sense? You can also buy here to sell with the purple. This is only for education. We don't recommend any trade because this stock, they still need to shake out the green. They still need to shake out the green, and we know this blue is still downward, so they will pull down again. They will come down again. So we don't need to rush. But the next week, the next coming few days is very critical. We need to keep monitor for few stock. Tesla is one of the stock. They have this kind of trend. We look for weekly chart, few famous stock. They basically monthly chart, they are turning the red line. So they give us opportunity for swing trade, not long-term holding. Long-term holding is monthly chart. Yeah, very few stocks have monthly chart buy signal also. But for the swing trade, it's also very good to buy. Okay, I'm not saying Tesla will be a superstar, but this is one of my favorite companies. So I have a great confidence on this company. So if you do like Elon Musk, if you do think they have a future, you may have a look of Tesla. But this is not a recommendation. By the way, recently they blocked my account because I mentioned the Twitter. They blocked my account because I keep posting Tesla is not the good time to buy. So they basically they don't let me to update anything. So I will try to fix it, but it's quite insane. I don't know it's AI or Elon Musk or someone, but it's quite insane. But I'm just telling you the fact. I don't want to do some advertisement or whatever. When the blue light do downward, I don't want to recommend you on this channel because when they do downward, you can only trade with red line. And most of the audience, you haven't bought this indicator yet. The red line is fast trade. So this move very fast. You need to buy, sell within. Okay, this is a long one. But when the blue light turn downward, you see how short it is period. Just few days they sell. Just they keep selling. So when the blue turn downward, I don't want to not recommend. I don't want to demo here because it's very risky. I don't want you to misunderstood. You thought, oh, this is a bias. No, I never say that. This is always the education channel. And when the blue go downward, I don't want to recommend you anything. And until the monthly chart has, oh, sorry, weekly chart has some signal, then I can say on this channel, you may have a look, but still, including myself, I haven't bought yet. This one, I will wait the pullback. When the pullback have the signal, they're going back to the blue area, blue line area. This still above zero. This still turning upward. And the red line still above this line. Then I will enter the stock. This is my strategy. I don't recommend you any trade. So this is the update for Tesla. If you like this education video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. And I'm going to do something crazy in the in this coming week for crazy promotion. You can access to my indicator for a super cheap price, but you have to click like and subscribe, not subscribe, sorry, click like and leave me a comment. Okay, so far I have two VIP comment all the time. They show the support and thank you so much. And one more. So how many like will determine the basically I would decide the quota according to the number of like. So if you don't click like, you don't have the quota. That's it. And I will see who actually give me the comment, and I will give the link for them to subscribe with a super 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 cheap price for you to try this indicator. But I need your support. And this video is completely free. I don't want any money for this, but I want you guys to show a little bit support. Like, is it worth to do this kind of video or not? If you like it, click like right now, show some support. And then see you next video. Bye.